Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to convert HEIC or HEIF image to JPG on iPhone. So as you can see right now, I'm in my iPhone Photos app and here's I opened a photo. Now I'm tapping on this info button to show you this photo current format. So here we can see this photo is HEIF format photo. Now to convert this photo to JPG, first of all you have to save the photo in your Files app. So open the photo and tap on Share, and here just tap on Save to Files, and now select a folder where you want to save the files. I'm going to opening on my iPhone and selecting this downloads folder, and in this download folder I'm going to saving this photo. Now go to your Files app and just go to the folder where you just saved your photo. So here is the photo. Now to convert this HEIC photo to JPG, all you have to need, tap and hold on the photo, tap on Quick Actions, and just tap on Convert Image, and File Format, select JPG. Image size, I'm selecting original, and that's it. As you can see, the image has been successfully converted to JPG format, and here we can see the quality is same. And now to save this photo in your Photos app, open the photo, tap on Share, and tap on Save Image, and the photo will be saved in your Photos app, as you can see. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.